if you have money, so you have lots of girls in your future. If you have money, you have everything, and if you don't have money, so you have nothing. Okay, so that's why just focus on money. So if you are billionaire, so you will have lots of what should I angel beside you, behind you, in front of you. I mean, promise to myself that I will never make a relationship with others before being a successful man. So thank you so much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about myself. My name is Oli Roman Miras, but everyone love to call me Miras, so you may call me by the same name, or someone love to call me Oli, you may call by that name. Okay, so actually I'm from Bola, but currently I live at Mohammedpur in Dhaka, and I'm a student of Dhaka College. My major subject is political science. I'm in on a second year. And if I talk about my hobby, one of my hobby is speaking English. And basically, I'm a sports lover. I love to play cricket, football, badminton, and whenever I get free time, I love to read motivational books. It makes me happy. And everyone has, I mean, like dislikes. So I'm not exceptional. I have I don't like, I mean, fast food. So that's all about me.
Okay, so you have mentioned that you are sports lover. So who is your favorite sportsman in Bangladesh?
Actually, I desperately support cricket and I hardly watch football and I don't have much idea about football. So if I have to tell about who is, I mean, my favorite sports, who is my favorite sporter? So I have to say that Sakib Al Hasan, he is my favorite one.
Okay, so let's talk about your traveling exploration. So is there any place in your city where you want to visit in the future, and that is very interesting place?
Actually, in my home district, I mean, which is called Bola, as I mentioned before, and there are so many, I mean, popular places in my Bola, in my home district Bola, and among those places, I used to visit many times in a place which is called Eco Park, and there are so many people uh, who are fond of going there, basically on Friday. So I'm not exceptional. I used to go there a lot, and there is a pond beside the park, and I used to go there with my friends, and we used to play guitar, and we used to sing song a lot. So that is my favorite one.
Okay, so we all have a purpose of loving our city for something. So why do you think that your city is very best? I mean, is the best?
Actually, if I talk about this, so I have to go back. Actually, my home district is, I mean, Bola is famous for Hilisha fish, as well as milk, Dodi. I don't know what is the call of Dodi. That's why I love my district a lot. And another thing is that those who are living in Bola, they are so sincere and so emotional. So I love them a lot, and they know how to speak with others politely, and how to I mean take a place in another one. I mean another man mind. So that's why I love them a lot. On the other hand, if I compare my district to Dhaka, so those who are living in urban area, I mean Dhaka, they are also cooperative, but they are not, I mean, cooperative like my city's people.
Okay. So it's very challenging to find out someone in Bangladesh who doesn't have any instructor in case of learning English. So who is your instructor in Bangladesh?
Actually, if I mention him, I think he's quite familiar in Bangladesh. He's none other than Mehdi Bhai. I mean Mehdi English Care. I love him a lot because you may ask me why you love him. Actually, he's such a man who makes video with different types of vocabulary, and whenever I watch his video, I get lots of advanced vocabulary as well as idioms, group words. So I mean, if I watch his video, I can get lots of vocabularies. I can memorize lots of sentence making pattern. So that's why I love him a lot, and he's my favorite one.